She so right now my customer from Chile, they are elephant lover. They can walk to the elephant by themselves. Okay, but they know her name. They call her name. See in the back they have banana bag. But it's possible just walk somewhere. But it's possible Sarah that the elephant come to him or not. Let's see. But almost you see, you will see. See, elephant just eat by herself. See? Because I would like to say, if the elephant not happy to be here, see, elephant turn to the my customer. If the elephant not happy to be here, elephant can walk away. Something. See the guy. See you have banana. See elephant thing. Okay, I keep. Okay. See this guy come beside the elephant. See she put in her mouth. She rub her because it's a good place. It's a for elephant living and a good 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 side if you beside the elephant because the elephant look at the eye something you see now they are happy with the elephant and free life. You see the location, the mountain. There's no one around, no friends, no cover. Okay, I am Mr. O. Okay, so I love elephants. I hope you will come to help and save elephant with me in this sanctuary. So many elephant sanctuary, but this one is the best for me. I think you can come and see. This is we call Elephant Nature Leopard Park. Thank you.